You know that so many people have lost their job in past 1 year, and because of that, Canadian government has done some research and found out that though there are people lost their job in few of the domains in Canada, but on the contrary, there were few domains where they have seen increased demand in those jobs. So we have listed down those 9 job profiles which have seen increased demand in past 3-4 months, and we will be sharing the knock codes as well, so that when you are applying for the express entry profile or PNP profile, you are aware of the knock codes. So let's start with number 1. Before starting with the list, I highly encourage you to subscribe the channel if you haven't done that so till now, because you will be missing out on such amazing videos about Canada immigration. So click the subscribe button.
Let's start with number 1. Advertising, Marketing and Public Relation Manager. The knock code is 0124. You all know that spending on traditional advertising has dropped during the last 1 year, which has affected employment. The industry is increasingly going digital. Companies plan to increase spending on advertising, especially digital ads. Therefore, there is an increase in the job opportunities for those with knowledge of modern technology methods.
So we have been talking about it since past 5-6 months that traditional marketing strategy have been changing. Everyone is moving to digital, especially social media marketing, digital marketing. This is a core skill that someone should be having if you are in a marketing profile. So federal government survey says that they have seen drastic increase in this kind of profile. So it is time to upskill yourself. So if you have been using traditional skills for marketing, it is time to switch over to digital, because world is moving towards digital era. Number 2 is related to IT, and you will see a lot of roles related to IT because of the obvious reason. So number 2 is computers and information system managers. Knock code is 0213. So companies that were previously limited in their ability to allow employees to work from home have become more reliant on computer and information system managers. Many companies intend to implement teleworks for the long term. Also, more virtual services such as e-commerce, medical appointments, job fairs and other could call more IT workers. So as I mentioned, a lot of profiles will be related to IT, but specific to this, it is more for the consultants and IT managers, because if so many people are working from home, there will be lead of some leaders who will be able to manage the projects and associates.
Moving to number 3, biologist and related scientist. The knock code is 2121. By now, the world has realized the importance of healthcare workers and scientists who have worked in the medical field. So this job has to be on the list. Immunologist, virologist, bioinformation workers, and pharmacologists who are researching COVID-19 are in high demand. The research and development of more vaccines and treatment will continue to support job opportunities for workers in these occupations. Also, now that the generation has experienced a pandemic firsthand, the increased awareness is expected to drive more virus research opportunities in future.
As Manpreet mentioned, that the world has realized the importance of having medical workers, healthcare workers and scientists. So this is not a short-term demand. In order to deal with such kind of situation, there will be a long-term demand for healthcare workers and scientists who are researching on such kind of vaccinations. Number 4, information system analyst and consultant. Knock code is 2171. Much like other IT occupations, information system analysts and consultants have been crucial to helping companies transition to remote work. They were considered essential workers while Ontario was in lockdown. There are a number of other factors that suggest a long-term demand for labor in this field. For example, more companies are expanding products and services online, digital processes are growing, and so is the risk of cybersecurity breaches. Also, artificial intelligence analysts may see more job openings due to increased interest in using AI solution for various line of business. As we are talking about, everyone is moving to digital. So by increasing all those web pages, mobile apps, the risk of security attacks have also increased. So we need more IT professionals, cybersecurity analysts to deal with such situation. And now the world has also realized the importance of artificial intelligence. So in future, there will be more roles related to artificial intelligence, cybersecurity as well. Basically anything related to IT.
So if you have a dream to come to Canada and you are still in school, this is the right time to think about an IT role or something related to the medical line, because these jobs will always be in demand.
I can give a perfect example. So in 2019, when we launched our website, for 6-7 months, I did not see any security attacks on our website. But in past 1 year, once our website got hacked, and every day I see so many security attacks. So to the hackers, please don't do it.
Do something better in life.
Yeah, we need more security analysts. That reminds me to share a very important application that you all should be using to upskill yourself, because as we mentioned that world is moving to digital. So you have to upskill yourself. If not, at least you should have basic knowledge of IT and other domains. So the website is Skillshare. They have so many courses related to IT, photography, creative skills. The best part is this is online. So you can learn all those skills sitting at home because you might be working from home. So that's an advantage. Especially when you're planning to change your role, these trainings will be very helpful. I recently did an advanced course on Adobe Premiere Pro, of course for video editing by Jody. So you can check that out. And also you can check the results on our vlogging channel as well, where I am implementing all those Adobe Premiere Pro skills. So there are no ads on this application. You won't see any distraction. You are a subscriber of Canada Couple channel. So first 1,000 subscribers who will click on the link will get 1 month free subscription instead of 14 days. So don't lose this opportunity, upskill yourself. Click the first link in the video description.
Number 5. Database Analyst and Data Administrator. The NOC code is 2172. Throughout the pandemic, the government and other organizations have prioritized case tracking and COVID-19 data analysis. These workers have been involved in much of the COVID data analysis process. A continued interest in COVID-19 data and analysis will support these job opportunities. Also, concerns are high regarding data collection, storage, and management following more demand from virtual health and social services. The shift to online solution will increase jobs in these occupations. So I think everyone might have used some or the other application online to check the COVID cases, what are the trends going on. So these are the guys behind all those analysis. So you know the demand will always go up.
And as I mentioned, there will be so many applications, mobile apps, web pages that cannot be completed without the backend. If you have a front end, you need a backend solution. So for sure, for database analysts will always be in demand going forward. Number 6, computer programmers and interactive media developers. NOC code is 2174. At the beginning of the pandemic, these workers were in demand to help design COVID-related digital media to support dissemination of information. Many were already set up to work from home due to the nature of their work. An increase in demand for digital products and services will support opportunity for these workers, especially as the global e-learning market grows. Especially in Ontario, the provincial government is working with various organizations to create digital resources for online learning. Such initiatives are expected to support these workers.
Number 7. Web developers and designers. NOC code is 2175. Web designers and developers are integral in building COVID-19 related websites to help disseminate information. The trend towards online shopping will support job opportunities for workers in this field. Also, many virtual services such as medical appointments may also support these jobs. So I will not talk the way Harmeet talks about in technical terms. I'll take my own example. Since the pandemic, I have been shopping online a lot, and I think I can never go back to malls and do shopping because I love doing online shopping. I think it's the same with other girls as well. So you know why the demand of this job is so high.
Not only girls, even I am doing online shopping. And especially if you're booking an appointment for dental services with your doctors, everyone is moving to digital. So they need someone to develop the web pages, mobile applications. So all those web developers are in high demand right now. Number 8, medical lab technologist. NOC code is 3211. As you all know, there was a shortage of lab techs even before the pandemic due to high number of retirees and a low number of new graduates available to take their place. The COVID outbreak has made the supply of these workers even more scarce, even though the number of employees in this field has increased. Ontario is funding a new program to train lab workers to reduce the workload for certified medical lab technologists and their assistants. And as the pandemic continues, the number of job vacancies in this occupation will continue to grow so long as there are not enough new graduates. One of the reasons is very similar to why Canada need more immigrants. A lot of people will be retiring in next 10 years. That is one of the reasons why Canada needs more immigrants. That is one of the reasons why they need more medical lab technologists.
Last but not the least, graphic designers and illustrators. The NOC code is 5241. With more digital products comes more job opportunities for graphic designers and illustrators, particularly in creating content and graphic for e-commerce platforms, online banking and e-learning. Demand for labor and immigration go hand in Canada. The purpose of economic immigration is specifically to address labor shortage, supply of Canada's long-term economic growth.
So let's talk about graphic designers. You need web designers, you need security analysts, you need marketing experts, but you also need graphic designers and illustrators who will be designing graphics, media kits, marketing artifacts for the marketing purposes, right? So graphic designer role will go hand in hand with the demand of IT analysts, mobile app developers, marketing analysts, digital marketing and IT consultants. So most of the roles were in IT fields. So it is time to upskill yourself. Do not forget to utilize the Skillshare offer. See you in next video.
Till next time.
Stick around.